Hey guys, this is Matthew again, and this is our fourth strategy for today, and we're going to be trading the Volatility 10 index. Goes outside, and we are on the Smart Trader interface. Today is 13th of October 2025. So once you log into your account, go to the Smart Trader. Go to Smart Trader, then go to Volatility 10 index. It's under the Deriv synthetic indices. The trade side, you go to stays between / goes outside, you click on it, and you're going to set your durations to 6 minutes. You're going to be setting the high barrier offset to plus 1.951, and the low barrier offset is minus 0.950. So we are going to be clicking on goes outside. You can see we're watching the wall movement. It's pushing right up. It has to be going up and facing up. So it's up there. We're going to click on goes outside. So let's wait for the outcome of that trade. Is a time count right here, and none of our barrier is visible yet. We can actually sell at market for now, but we're gonna win the trade, so no need to panic. We're gonna leave the trade as it is because we're already in profit right there. So it's going right up. Probably gonna hit the higher barrier. There's a time count right there. So our barrier isn't visible yet. So for those who haven't purchased our bots, and the buy sell indicator right there, we're still giving it away for free. It was on Deriv and other Forex broker platforms that support MT5. You can use it to trade your Forex pairs and your volatility index. Our TOS-Keeper board as well, and the Pips Cheaper bots, they're still active and effective. If you haven't purchased them, the links are there in the video description. I'm going to show you right here. You also get some free stuff when you order any of our bots, and don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. So let's go back to our trade. So our barrier isn't visible yet. It's not visible yet, but we still have like 3 minutes thereabout. So to get the buy sell indicator, sign up for a free trading account here. Sign up for a free trading account. Let's check the time. Sign up for a free trading account and then subscribe to all these channels. Subscribe to all these channels right here, and send an email to this email address. Just follow these steps. Send your last 3 digits of your account. Once you verify that, we're going to send the indicator to you. And for those who already have an account, you can order the indicator here for $12. And the Pips Cheaper board and the TOS-Keeper board, the links to order them are right here. For those who don't have a trading account, let's check. We have 2 minutes left there. For those who don't have a trading account here, there's a link to sign up for a free trading account to test the strategies on demo. These are the links to subscribe to our channels. Check the video description for all these infos. We'll paste them in the video description. So you can see our barrier is visible here, so it's already outside, and we want that trade. We made 4 point something right there. It's already outside. You can see right there. So that's it for now, guys. You can go on and on and on and on. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.